let's solve this together. We have x is equal to x over 3, okay? How are we going to solve this? Now looking at this question, first thing a lot of people will do is to strike out x on both sides. So they have that 3 times 1 is equal to 1, and this is wrong, alright? So in order to solve this, we have x is equal to x over 3. The first thing to do here is not to cancel x on both sides, rather, you multiply both sides by 3. So we have 3 multiplied by x is equal to 3 multiplied by x over 3. Now 3 strikes 3 on this side, so we have that 3x is equal to x, okay? Bringing x to this side, we have 3x minus x is equal to 0. We have 2x is equal to 0. We have x to be equal to 0 over 2, which is equal to 0, okay? So our x is equal to 0. Now let's check if you put x as 0 in this equation, are we going to get the same thing, okay? So putting x as 0 here, we have 0 is equal to 0 over 3, alright? So that answers the question for you.
What's going on, guys? It's watching here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.